My name's Chris Mason. I'm the Vice President of Contracting and Legal for Clinical Research Management. We're a small CRO that's located in Hinckley, Ohio. We provide services in support of customers who are running drug and vaccine trials. We do a lot of work in both the federal government as well as in the commercial market. So we directly serve anyone on the commercial side who's doing a drug or vaccine study. So that's big pharma, small startup pharma. We service the U.S. government, primarily the Department of Defense and NIH. Both of those groups have interests in running clinical studies and doing biomedical research on all sorts of illnesses that either affect military personnel or affect the world. The primary example of that is last fall. Our company was the first company in the world to get a clinical trial related to Ebola running in West Africa. And so when the crisis was really at its peak, we had personnel going to Liberia and then Sierra Leone to attempt to help do something to mitigate the horror of Ebola. We purchased product liability insurance to sit directly over the two trials that we started. We also shipped some large buses that were going to be used as blood collection mobile centers, and Britton Gallagher helped us insure those as well. So it was quite an effort. The clear difference was that you had somebody in Dave that was introduced to me who really understands the policies and particularly the life sciences side. So and that's an area that I knew nothing about coming into this. And so in that sense, that's why we switched to Britton Gallagher to begin with, was to get help with life sciences. But everybody that I've dealt with has been extremely friendly and extremely responsive. And we routinely get requests for insurance certificates from customers, and you've got to have the certificate made out in their name. And those come back most of the time same day, if not the next day. Well, I think I'm like everybody else that works at ClinicalRM. We're really proud to be working for the company, and we're really proud that we've been able to get involved in projects like the efforts we've done over the last year with Ebola, and we hope that we continue to be engaged in activities like that make an actual difference in the world.